it's an interactive website which can help students learn to code. So first you select your coding language, for example C#, and then on the left you can see all the different pieces of code which are in the website. So for example, we select input, you can see it has the syntax, and it also shows an example. Other things might have more complex examples, or even multiple examples on how to do different things. Now, one of the key aspects to how this website works is the ability for users to contribute code that they know. So for example, they can go onto my GitHub page and fork the repository and then create a new JSON file for a different coding language following example.json's format. And this means that the website is getting a lot more information on it. Now, I built this using HTML and JavaScript, as well as using JSON files for all the code. This was a challenge as I'd never used JSON before, but it was a really interesting way of doing things, as it meant that my HTML file could be really basic, and most of the code is done using simple JavaScript, which checks the JSON files, finds out which element of the JSON file is needed, and then it sticks it into the main section of the website. I also used languages.json to keep track of all the languages. This helps with the drop-down menu, and it is just one of the two things that are needed for someone to contribute to it. They need to go into this file and add the name of the JSON file and the name of the language, and they need to create the JSON file and store it in languages folder.